Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Good day, young scientists. How are you today? Me? I am feeling fine too. What a fulfillment when in a day we learn new things. Welcome to Science Grade 8. Together, we explore to learn about electricity. For the young scientist inquisitive mind like you, learning ceases not. So pack up and fasten your seatbelt and ride with the electric charge to explore electric circuit. Today, we will explore the types of electric circuit. Here are our objectives. Number 1. Describe an electrical circuit. Number 2. Construct parallel and series connection. Number 3. Compare parallel connection and series connection. Number 4. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of series and parallel connection in the home. The benefits that we derive from the electricity are brought about not by the fundamental charge alone, but also by the control of the flow of electrons through different materials or media. Almost, if not all appliances involve the control of the flow of electrons. These tell us for the electricity to be useful, there needs to be a proper path for electrons to move. We use electricity circuit for thousands of different things from car, computers, in our home, can have many electrical devices on at any one time. How is this possible? What do circuits in our home look like? In this lesson, you'll learn about two kinds of circuits called series circuit and a parallel circuit. You have learned in your previous lesson that electric current is a measure of the number of electrical charges passing through a cross-section of a conductor in a given time. You have also understood voltage is the different potential energy of charged particles. The batteries supply in the energy in electric circuits. When electric charge flow through the wires and load of the circuit, they encounter resistance or a hindrance to their movement. So, another factor that resists the flow of energy or a current is resistance. remember the component of electric circuit, your task is to complete the table by matching the images with their symbol, name, and function. Good luck! Let us perform activity 1 entitled Complete Me. Letter A. Match and fill the table. Match column of circuit parts with the symbol and write the name of the letter of the components from the provided information. We have here the name, cell 1 battery, cell 2 battery, the switch, bulb or lamp, and wire.
And now, fill the table found in your self-learning module.
Your time starts now.
Here is the table that contains the answer to the activity entitled Complete Me.
Very good. You got the correct answer. What a good memory! Knowing these components is halfway in mastering the concept. Are you willing to know more about circuits? Fasten your seatbelt and ride with the electric charge to explore the two types of circuit, the series and parallel circuit. Now, let us perform activity 2 entitled The Loop. Materials needed for this activity are 1. 2.2 light bulb with holder, 2. 1.5 voltage drive cell, 1 switch, 3 connecting wires with alligator clip.
Here are the procedures. Number 1. Set up the circuit connections. Switch, battery, valve, and wire. Next, close the switch. What happened to the bulb? The bulb remains dim, not light. Why it is so? It is because there is no gap within the circuit. Electric current are to flow in the wire. Open the switch. What do you observe? The bulb light. Close the switch but loosen or disconnect the bulb. What do you observe? The bulb remains dim, not light. Put back the bulb but disconnect the dry cell. What do you observe? The bulb remains dim, not light. How would you explain what you observe in step 3 to 5? The bulb does not light in step 3 to 5 because there is a break with the circuit. Hence, electric current cannot flow. In your own words, describe what an electric circuit is. A simple circuit consists of 3 elements: a source of electricity or battery, a path or conductor on which electricity flows or wire, and an electrical resistor or lamp which is any device that requires electricity to operate. A switch is used to control the flow of electric current.
We shall now explore the two types of circuit connection. At this point, it is again important to recall the conductors provide a path for electrons to flow. This path can be single direction or it can be a branched path. If like an electron, you were given a single path, you do not have another option but proceed and take that path. If you are given more paths to take, then you can choose from among these paths. If there were many of you, you may divide yourself among these paths. Does electron or electricity behave in the same manner? Young scientists, how are you so far? Don't forget to take note of important details in your paper to easily remember our lesson. So there, you have just learned about electric circuit, and now challenge yourself to do these 5-item quiz. I will read the questions and choices once. You are only given 10 seconds to write the letter of the correct answer for each question. Are you ready, young scientists?
Question number 1. What is the name of the part that opens and closes an electric circuit? A. A load. B. A wire. C. A switch. D. A power.
Good job! You got the correct answer.
The correct answer is letter C. A switch. Question number 2. What are the three parts of electric circuit? A. A track, a loop, and a battery. B. A conductor, an insulator, and wires. C. A conductor, an energy source, and a load. D. A power plant, chemical energy, and mechanical energy.
Good job! You got the correct answer.
The correct answer is letter C. A conductor, an energy source, and a load. Question number 3. What type of electric circuit has multiple paths for current to take? A. A series circuit. B. Static circuit. C. Short circuit. D. Parallel circuit.
Very good. You got the correct answer.
The correct answer is letter A. Series circuit. Question number 4. What happened to the intensity or the brightness of the lamp connected in series as more and more lamps are added? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains the same. D. Cannot be predicted.
Good job! You got the correct answer.
Correct answer is letter B. Decreases. Question number 5. What happened to the current in a circuit as the resistance decreases? A. Current increases. B. Current decreases. C. C. No answer. D. Current remains the same.
Very good. You got the correct answer.
The correct answer is letter A. Current increases.
Very well done, young scientists. I am happy that you were able to challenge yourself to do the science quiz. Once again, I am Teacher Sai of Cotabato City National High School saying thank you for the company in our journey into the realm of knowing. See you then! Wassalam!